And it's now time for some K1 action. This is 3 rounds, 1.5 minutes each. Making the way to the blue corner, Kaifah Imran.
I'm going to go out on a limb here and say Ava is from Ireland. Oh, maybe not. The tune has stopped. First up we have Kaifah Imran from DTC. Comes from a very reputable gym, coached under Kazim the Dream, former 50-1 professional kickboxer.
And making her way to the red corner, Ava Logue.
Next up we've got Ava Logue from Belfast.
Once again, reintroducing in the blue corner, representing DTC, Kaifah Imran.
Yeah, I think half of the arena's here
And in the red
Kaifah.
corner, representing
Brought an army with her
WKU
tonight.
Ireland, Ava Logue.
I'm looking forward to this one.
Let's go, Kaifah.
Seconds out.
Round 1.
Low kick to start it off from Kaifah. Pushing her back onto the ropes.
Nice leg kicks.
Quick head guard malfunction. I'd like to see the fighters tidy it up a little bit rather than just head straight into the clinch. Get some cleaner work off. There's nothing a bit of tape can't fix. And we're back. Good leg kick again. Nice jab as well from Kaifah. Yeah, they're putting some more pop behind the punches now. Kaifah's having success with that leg kick. Oh, good teep to the face as well. Ava returns with a good leg kick. I'd like to see some knees in the clinch though. Feels like a bit of a wasted opportunity. Oh, good right hand from Kaifah. Yeah, really good. Pushes her back into the corner.
Give us our space, Kate. Landing clean from range.
Kaifah's corner asking her to keep it at range.
Referees gather at 8 count. Oh, she needs to get her son out of the corner now. End of round 1. Point deduction.
I must have missed that. What was that for, Jake?
Knees. Oh, the fight's been stopped.
The fight's been stopped. Oh, she's thrown up in the ring.
Oh,
what is in your chest?
Oh. Well, I've commentated for JackHammer multiple times now, and that is the first time I've seen that. TKO via vomit.
Can I have the list again, please? Sorry. It's a pain in the arse. I never want it.
Yeah, that was a bit of a turn of events, if I say so myself. Bless her though.
yeah, she'll come back stronger from this.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by TKO, Kaifah Imran!
Kaifah taking that win by TKO. It was just starting to get good as well.
Please make some noise for Ava Logue!
Both fighters landing good shots.